Hello friends, welcome Woodfung Machinery. Today we are going to introduce you our full automatic edge bender machine for your woodworking. It is classic and industrial edge bender for your woodworking, wardrobe, furniture, and cabinet making. Now we are going to introduce you some functions about this machine. Here it is Delta operation panel, gluing system, 3 bigger ruler for the bolt press, bigger model and trimming, rough trimming, fine trimming, scrubbing, and polishing. Welcome you come our Woodfung store, and any questions, please contact us freely. Thank you.